Check, mic check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world, and welcome to the channel. Mark, that's me, my words, where we follow trading, traveling, and training. Before I get into today's summary video, please do take a moment to hit that subscribe button down there. Join the troops. We're growing pretty quickly. We're just under 600 subscribers, which is absolutely fantastic. Thanks for all your support. So here we are, Monday, the 29th of March. What an absolutely long weekend that seemed to be. I think everybody feels the same from what I'm seeing in the comments. People literally can't wait for Monday morning now to see what's happening in the market, which is fantastic. I think it's brilliant. So with that in mind, what has happened? Not a lot, really. I want to start by just touching on the stories that were breaking over the weekend and this morning with some hedge funds being liquidated, being margin called. That could have implications. It's yet to play out, I think. Let's see if there's any more addition to that. But it's certainly very, very interesting when you see organisations like Credit Suisse, putting out pressers that they're going to be hit. So let's see if this escalates into something else. Personally, I think it will. Okay, so GameStop first. Let's have a quick look. The chart's looking a bit busy, and there's a reason for that. I want to talk you through everything. But let's start off with today, where we had the usual, peak and dip in the morning. This isn't uncommon. It is, if you look back over the trading days, you can see the same trend there or thereabouts. We did have this false break below this level of support that we've got here that took us to the low of the day of around $173, something like that. But we picked up pretty well. Got to a high of 193.92, and it was all going swimmingly. But then we took this tumble here again. I think this is a bit of manipulation going on here. But what we did do when we came down here and we broke out of this channel, we managed to maintain this. So I've drawn here the trend lines from the low of Friday. And we managed to maintain that one into this morning. When we broke that, we formed a new trend line into today, which we're respecting. Then we broke that. We managed to maintain this level of support at around 178 area, something like that, before we finally dipped below that. But then we've built this new trend line here and then picked back up towards the end of the day. What I do like about this is it's just good consolidation, really, really good consolidation. And where we are testing, we're coming back and rebounding back quite nicely. When we have fallen through, we haven't fallen too far. So, positive. And just to give you the context of all the lines, so here you can see I've drawn the trend lines so you can kind of follow where I've been going with it. That's how I like to do charting. Many people will say there's too much going on, it's too busy, but because I'm trying to monitor through the day and also jump on here quickly to give a summary, I just quickly plot what I can see and share it. So anybody got any different views on how today went for GME, stick it in the comments. Always happy to engage. That's what I'm here for. And I look forward to reading them. So we finished 30 cents up, 0.17%. It's up, it's not down. So let's see. There's a lot of talk around end of Q1, which is this week, I believe Wednesday, which is actually when I'll be live streaming. So if you want to jump on for Power Hour on Wednesday, come and join us. Join in the chatterbox. It'd be great to see you there. So good consolidating day, low volume, pretty good thing in my eyes. Not many selling, same amount of buyers as sellers. So it is what it is, consolidated, and on to tomorrow. I don't want to go to sleep. Can't it be tomorrow now? AMC, a similar story really. We got this kick up like we always do in the morning. and then we kind of settled back down. We did have this descending level of resistance, which we tested a few times. Eventually we broke above it, and then we did, we started to come back down again. But that level of resistance turned into a level of support, and you can see here where we broke above it and we come back down. We tested it a couple of times, like once or twice, and then we consolidated. Then we put this trend line on from Friday, and you can see higher lows all the way up. We've broken just below it here. We tried a little bit here, but that's not too concerning for me. And towards the end, these little breaks here, they're on almost zero volume. So not zero, obviously, but almost zero. And you can see, they're neutral. So nobody's winning there. No buyers, no sellers. So we finished 1% up, 11 cents. But again, good consolidation day in the 1021 to if we average it, let's say there 1055 area. So I'm not too concerned actually. I think it's been a good day for both stocks. As the week goes on, we will realign these trend lines and see where we get to. Just looking at the Fibonacci's that we put on Friday, you can see there we're still respecting that healthy pullback zone down to 50% on AMC. So that's another good indicator for us. And I think we did the same on GME. I think we put the fibs on. Yes, we did, from Thursday's run up. And we are, again, you can see where, we're at that 38.2% zone. So still very, very healthy pullbacks. And the more you zoom out, in fact, the nicer the chart looks, for overall longer term trend. So that's it really, troops. It's been a slow day. It's been a slow burner, but you take it what it is. It's a game of chicken. There's definitely a game of chess going on. And like I said, stay calm. We're just passengers in this, and it'll play out as it plays out. And remember, always put in what you can afford to lose and get out when you're happy with what you've made. So I'll be back tomorrow doing another a wrap up, and I look forward to seeing your comments. Cheers, troops.